In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a dashboard in Google Sheets and add a layer of interactivity using filters. To begin, let's set up the dashboard. We are working with a sheet containing data from multiple flower shops across the United States, which in its current format is difficult to analyze. Creating a Google Sheets dashboard will make the data much easier to consume. Start by creating a new sheet named Dashboard. For the first chart, go to the Insert menu, select Chart, and choose the chart type. Let's start with Scorecard. Provide the data by clicking the Data Range button and select the data range. For this example, select all online sales data and aggregate the total sales using the sum operator. To simplify the large number, go to the Customize tab and under Key Value, select a scale factor of 1 million and add an M as a suffix. Add the title, Total Sales under Chart and Axis Titles. Resize the chart and move it to the top of the page. Next, let's create a line chart to display monthly sales. First, jump back to Online Sales sheet and add a new column called Month. Use an array formula combined with the text function to extract the month from the order date in column B. Specify the range B2 B4977 and format it as MMM. Return to the dashboard, insert a line chart and choose month and order total as input for the axis. Aggregate the data and move the resized chart to its desired position. Finally, that's it. You now know how to create an interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.